In this video, I will show you how to connect laptop screen to Philips Smart TV. You can connect your laptop screen to a Philips Smart TV using this method. So first, you can go ahead and use HDMI. Plug one end of an HDMI cable into your laptop and the other into your Philips Smart TV. Now use the TV remote to select the correct HDMI input, and your laptop should automatically detect the TV as a second screen. So another way for you to connect your laptop to your Philips Smart TV is to use screen mirroring. So on your laptop, go ahead and open settings. So to be able to open settings, press Win I on your keyboard. In here, head over into the System tab. So click on System. Under this, head over to Display section and scroll down and click on this detect button under multiple displays. So in this section, you should be able to find all of the wireless display to where you can connect your laptop to. So you can find the Philips Smart TV here. Simply click on that and then accept the connection request on your TV. That's basically how you can connect laptop screen to Philips Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.